Vivo has silently launched its new budget-friendly phone under Y series in India called Vivo Y18t. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. Before we get started, I wanted to ask you something. Have you ever been in a situation where you have suddenly forgotten the phone password or unable to unlock your phone? I have been into the same situation earlier, and I found there is only one solution available, which is Dr. Phone software by Wondershare. This software is a complete mobile device solution for all iOS and Android devices. It solves problems in any scenario, from phone screen locked to system breakdowns and data loss and beyond. This software is pretty much everything. You just need to download the software. Further, I have provided the link in the description below, or you can simply search Dr. Phone on Google. It is available for both mobile and PC. To unlock the phone, you need to have additional Android mobile or iPhone with Dr. Phone software installed in it, or you can simply switch to Dr. Phone's PC software. Now connect your phone with PC and open the software, and before unlocking the phone, make sure that you have backup of your important data. If not, create backup file by using this software. After having backup, now select Screen Unlock, then next select Android or iOS, whichever you have. Then select to unlock Android screen. Then select brand of the phone you wish to unlock. Dr. Phone will then display the instructions that you need to follow. After following up all the instructions, your phone will be now successfully unlocked. And interestingly, you can restore all of your data from a backup if desired. Now coming back to the video. The Vivo Y18t features a 6.56-inch HD Plus display, with up to 90 Hz refresh rate, and up to 840 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Uni SoC T612 chipset, paired with Mali G57MP1 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 4 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, that can be extended up to another 4 GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB via dedicated microSD card slot. As per the camera, the Vivo Y18t sports a dual camera setup on the rear that includes a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture, along with the 0.08-megapixel auxiliary lens with f3.0 aperture. For selfies, it has 8-megapixel camera under the water drop notch at the top center with f2.0 aperture. In terms of software, the handset runs on Android 14, based on FunTouch OS 14 skin on top, and it is equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 15 watts fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP54 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, FM radio, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 163.63 by 75.58 by 8.39mm, and it weighs around 185 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Vivo Y18t has been priced in India at 9,499 Indian rupees, and it is now available for purchase in the country in space black and gem green color options. So, what do you guys think of this Vivo Y18t smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.